Hello friends, today we are going to change the expansion. Hello friends, today we have some fun because I don't know the English word right now. Today we are going to change the suspension, so pretty easy. To take out the rear shock absorber, you need to take this screw out there. This is a 16 in German wide, and if you take it out, you can take it easily from the downside after you take out the screw on the downside. Second screw from the shock absorber is here, and after you release it, you can take out the spring very easy. So as you know, this is a budget project, so we bought a cheap suspension, sport suspension from TA Techniques. It's fitting for the Seat Arosa. The protection parts are pretty good condition still, so we will reuse them and don't take new ones. You should watch for, when you build in the spring, there is a number on the spring. The number is always, you must build it inside so that the number is always in the correct position and that you can read it. This is the wrong way. So this way, build it in. When you put this thing back in, you must watch for there's a point where's the end for the spring. So put it in and turn it to that point. You put the spring into place and fix the shock absorber here with the screw. You can put it up and put the shock absorber there up in its place. You can use a car lifter for that. shock absorber we already fitted with the spring, an old one and a new one, as you can see. You need this tool to do it. This is for making the spring smaller to adjust it, you know. Never try it without these things, because this spring will blow up if you just loosen the screw on the top. And don't do it if you are not self-confident. Recommend to buy some new gumballs for the top. Here you see the old, pretty worn out. You see it's almost rounded. That's a new one. So this is very cheap, this part, so take it new before you install your new suspension. So after you fitted the suspension all together, you just put it back in the same place where the original was. Don't fix the screw to the end until everything is on its place. So just put in the screws on the downside, then take a car jack to pick the brake caliper up, so that you can install the upper screw.